Hello there. Today I am reviewing the Personalise Your Sonic Screwdriver set. Now, if we just take a little peek at the packaging, the name of the set, Personalise Your Sonic Screwdriver. A character reference logo, Doctor Who logo. In fact, I'm going to get that right out of the way. My lamp. It shows 3 sonic screwdrivers. You can combine and customize over 80 styles. Says there, batteries included, select emitters, choose controls, configure power source, and it all shows it in very good magisteria. On the front, showcases it very well with multiple lights and sound effects. BBC 5+. I don't know if you can see everything that I'm trying to show you, but hopefully you can. On the sides, it includes some very cool looking ways you can make your sonic screwdriver. So, the top here is and so many different ways you can form a toy into, which is really quite clever. And I'm looking forward to getting my hands on this set, although I already have. I just repackaged it for this review. Got it ages ago for my birthday, anyway. Over 80 possible... Oh. Hang on. It does say over 80 possible combinations, and there's some more combinations you can make there. So in front, 4 out of 5. Just doesn't click with me. On the back, ow. Not ow. I really do not know. Okay, it's good. Just don't fall over us this time. Okay. Doctor Who logo. Combine the sections from each of the 3 sonic screwdrivers in different ways to create your own version, with multiple light and sound effects. Personalise your sonic screwdriver set. Bzzz. Not bzzz. There's the third Doctor's one that confused me. Confused my oh so small mind. Yeah. There's more. There's stuff in it. Showcases them again. And there's some stuff there, which nobody wants to read. 5+ at the top. 5+ it says. So, let's open it up. Back 4 out of 5 doesn't click with me. The packaging in the end doesn't matter. 8 out of 10. See ya. So, here we are. This is it. So, in the packaging it comes with this. What looks very familiarly like the 11th Doctor Sonic Screwdriver, but unlike the toy, there's just a button, which I can't see through the camera. There we go. Oh. But I'll showcase the sounds now. So, normal mode, just 2 sound effects, and then if you press it double that time, sorry, twice. Same thing, but if you press it 3 times, oh, that's 4 times, okay. 3 times? 4 times? Ah, gosh, this is such an annoying button, okay. Oh, gosh. 5 times? Ah. That's 6 times? 7 times? That's 6 times. 8 times. Oh. Okay, let's do this again. That's 8 times. Okay, I think 9, I think it starts at 8, but there's really cool sound effects and you can do so many things with that, and I like that, but of course quality is sacrificed as detail is made less. Now I'm going to go through the detail of all of these pieces, but I'm just going to go through the detail of the sonic screwdriver that comes already packaged. You can see this is actually quite finely done. It's not quite well done. It's actually plastic, but it's made to look like leather, which I think they've done quite a good job on that. Not much detail there apart from the bolts. Then standard head really. And then I like that though. It's interesting how they have a bit there. They really paid much attention to the sonic screwdrivers in Doctor Who, but yeah. There's this. It's part of that. That's one handle. So, now I'm going to show you what it looks like on the inside. I recommend buying the trans-temporal sonic screwdriver set as well, because it is similar. Well, it's got the same workings, but it's a bit like an expansion pack. But I bought it first, so someone bought it for me. It's a bit interesting. I'll review it separately later, but this is what the inside looks like. This trans-temporal one, it's got the same sounds as all the others, but if you press it, those noises on one press, as opposed to so yeah, that's the inside workings, and I think they've done it pretty well and pretty compactly. And you can even use this as a sonic screwdriver. Okay, maybe a head would be good, but you need a control panel and things. Oh. Right, let's make a sonic screwdriver. Hope you enjoy the music. Excellent. Now, I want this one. I like this one. It's got some nice detail on. Basically, when putting something together, there's a lot of twisting, and I'm done. This is my sonic screwdriver. I'm quite proud of it. It's also multicoloured. So, yeah. It shows how much you can really make. And it's the best idea ever. The best. You can do the pre-made ones. Like, I know that this really goes with this. And these haven't even appeared in the show. It shows the creativity. Although, then again, they could do more sonic screwdrivers that appeared in the show. This is a proper one. Oh, I want Peter Capaldi to have this. Anyway, so this was my review of the third. No, not this. But this was my review of the Personalise sonic screwdriver set. And your battery, guys, your battery is on critical. So, hope you enjoyed this episode. Yeah, and enjoy making it. Definitely recommend the set. Best set ever. And I mean, look how disorganised this whole thing is. Look at this. Look at this. What kind of mess is this? Did a lot of twisting and untwisting to mix this up. Not mix it up. Oh, get it. And put it back in a box of sorts. Anyway, bye. Oh, as always now, hopefully, see you later. No, see you next time. Peace out.